An LLC will not save you any money on your taxes. It does not allow you to make any additional deductions. For the IRS, a single member LLC is invisible. They literally disregard it. Whether you're a sole proprietor or have an LLC, all your business income still goes on one form, the Schedule C. What an LLC does do is provide you liability protection. You're a plumber, a consultant, a digital marketer, and a client sues you. They can only take the assets of the LLC. They can't take stuff that is in your personal name. While the LLC itself does not change anything about your tax situation, it is a potential starting point to save you money on taxes. Let me explain. Once you have received your LLC paperwork from the state, you can make an election to have your LLC taxed as an S-Corp or a C-Corp. This requires you to send in paperwork to the IRS, not your state. An S or C-Corp can potentially save you money on taxes. A few key considerations if you're thinking about forming an LLC. Number one, how much does it cost? Are you in California where it will cost $800 a year, or in Arizona where it costs $50? Number two, how likely are people to sue you? Are you selling candles and fireworks online, performing plastic surgery, or building houses? LLC protection might be worth it in that case. On the other hand, maybe you're an online tutor or a writer and there's a good chance no one is going to sue you. Number three, how much profit will you make this year? Standard rule of thumb is if you make over $50K in profit, not revenue, but profit, then an LLC taxed as an S-Corp might help you reduce your tax bill. Hey, my name is Arash. I help people create plans to pay less in taxes. Did you know if you like, subscribe, and comment on my videos, you will automatically save 10% in taxes? Okay, that's actually not true. Also, I need to let you know that none of this video should be taken as tax advice. However, I would love to give you individualized tax advice. All you have to do is schedule a consultation on my website, link below.